Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my July subscription boxes from Ipsy and BoxyCharm, which is now part of Ipsy. So I have the BoxyCharm box and the Ipsy Glam bag, which I think this is only the second month that I've received it. So I'm interested to see what products are here. I had thought about doing a makeup try on, but I didn't have the opportunity. There's a lot going on right now. So I just wanted to unbox them with you, see what products I received, see if any of them are gonna go into a giveaway, which stay tuned. There will be details on that because my birthday month is coming up and we are doing a birthday month giveaway. So we're gonna see what products I received, see if any of these are gonna go into the giveaway, and then we will see what I need to try on in the future. Now you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in my Glam bag and BoxyCharm, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna start with my Glam bag. This is usually like sample sizes. Mind you, I received this today. I have not even opened it, and I'm interested to see what's in here. I know that I could go into their app and get the details, but sometimes that's not the fun part. I know I get to pick a couple things, but I don't remember what I pick half of the time. All right, so there is a card in here, and I don't think there's, oh, there are details about this. Okay, so there are prices for each of the products. I know in the past they haven't done that for Ipsy, but it was something that they did for BoxyCharm. So I'm wondering if they're switching it up now that they're together, but I have details. They do come in little bags, which are nice for throwing into your gym bag with just the small products that you need or whatnot. Beach bag, something to just keep in the vehicle, just handy things. When I give makeup away to my friends, I usually put them in the bags because it's convenient. Now, let's see. Ooh, the first thing. Ooh, we have a highlighter. Okay, this is from Floss. This is the Brighten Up highlighter. For full size, it retails at $20. Ooh, this is really pretty. Let's see, we do need to... Ooh, it is so buttery smooth. Look at that. That is beaming. I do like the lip glosses I have from Floss. They feel so good on the lips and they're just so juicy. So I'm really excited to try out this highlighter. Next we have TFB Le Brow Eyebrow Gel. Trust Fund Beauty. Okay, TFB is Trust Fund Beauty. The full size version retails for $24 and I have it in the shade, doesn't say. We'll find out. I don't know, it doesn't have a shade name. I really hope it's like a shade I use. Oh, is that clear? Okay, it's clear. That's awesome. Sometimes you get shades that aren't the right shade. I think I've gotten like an auburn, which is more reddish. My natural hair color is auburn, but I don't really go natural that often. Okay, that's really kind of like slippy. We'll see how like sticky, and it's not really sticky. We'll see how it feels in a little bit. I have the Toy Co Serum Concealer Nia Blend Toy Factory, shade M1. So part of our medium family. It says full size retails for $32. I just don't get through full size products like that unless I'm absolutely in love with them. So sometimes receiving samples is a lifesaver. A concealer that's rich in vitamin B3 to help nourish and improve your skin's texture while providing buildable coverage. Anti-caking formula helps give a natural lightweight finish while keeping your skin hydrated and dewy. Okay, so vegan and cruelty free. I'm interested about the shade. Oh, that might be the right shade. It is very creamy. It looks pretty nice on the skin on the back of my hand. So I guess we'll try that out. Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this stuff. The full size retails for $68. This came in just in time because I have my girls trip the beginning of August. I'm so excited. Now I don't have to carry an entire thing with me. And it smells so clean. I love the collagen cleansing. Oh, so good. If you have not tried this for taking off your makeup, go pick it up. And the last item that I have, this is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Oh, I think I actually had like the tub of it. It's cooling and silicone free. Yeah, this is the Icy Sherbet Primer. I want to open it and make sure it's not, yeah, so it's sealed. I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway pile because I already have it and I like it. It feels so good on the skin. So the full size version retails for $20. That is awesome. So one thing did make it into the giveaway and we have a couple things that I need to try out. I'm not going to total this up because they gave me the prices of full size products, but for the BoxyCharm, I will tell you what the value of the box is. Now you guys, we're on to BoxyCharm and this feels a little hefty. Don't know what's in here. Okay, so there is a little like booklet. Let's see, what does it say? There is a Smashbox edit. Up next, Smashbox, inspired by the photography studio and in for makeup that performs on set. Interesting. There are not details on what's in here, but I can get that information off of the app. So I will have prices for you. I Spy with My Little Eye. This is from Kat Berkey Silk Protein Primer. Okay. A satiny air cushioning primer that helps keep makeup in place and extend your look throughout the day. Mineral sun filters offer effective protection against skin aging UV damage. I like that. I was just thinking about and talking about sunscreen with somebody. Botanical hyaluronic acid fused with silk amino acid proteins hydrate plump skin to prevent dehydration, lines, and smooth the appearance of existing fine lines and wrinkles, which I need those to be hidden. That is awesome. There's more details, but those are the key factors that I'm picking up on. The primer retails for $54. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I like the packaging on this. Look at that. Okay. It's just got like a little pump, which makes it really nice. I'll have to try this out. I am really excited to try it, actually. We have the Ace Beauty. There's like an accent on the E. Please help me. You guys are great about letting me know how to pronounce something when I mess it up. I will be the first to admit, I'm not great at it, but I will take the help with pronouncing brands. So Ace Beauty, the Seal It Setting Spray. This retails for $28 and it's setting spray, right? Let's see, is it dewy finish or is it matte? Keep your look on lock from sunup to sundown. The refreshing formula won't make you feel sticky. It just delivers a perfect finish that lasts all day. Well, I guess I'll be finding out what type of finish it is when I use it. The Lower East Side Full Brow Gel. I just got clear brow gel in the Glam bag. Now I have dark brown in the BoxyCharm. You guys, I think it's about to storm outside. This weather. I love the summer, but the weather. So this retails for $19. Full brow gel. Is it fluffy brows? Big, bold, and beautiful brows with help from this tinted gel. Precise applicator helps you create hair-like strokes so you can define your brow, shape, or add more volume to your arches with ease in a matter of minutes. That is awesome. I have been doing that, so my eyebrows are not how I usually do them, but I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in my drawer. I've been using this. I've been running it backwards through my brows and just kind of fluffing and flossing right through the fronts, and that's literally just how I've been doing it for work. I'm looking at them now and I'm like, maybe they kind of disappeared. They were a little bit fuller earlier. We'll have to try this out. The Neen Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter. That's how it is spelled. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was definitely thunder. This retails for $29. Bring on the brightness with this multitasking highlighter that can be used anywhere and everywhere you want to show your glow. Its formula is so blendable and is never oily or sticky. Ooh, I like that because I'm an oily gal, which my makeup is surviving. I put this on at 6 a.m. I use the Complex Culture primer. I absolutely love it. They're not a brand anymore. I'm really sorry, but they have some phenomenal products. Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter. So it's like one of those like aluminum type of packages. Oh, and it's one of those that you need to use the point to puncture it. These can be good and bad because when you want the product to come out, you just fold it over and it starts pushing it out. But if there's too much pressure on it, when you puncture it, it can come like spewing out. All right. So this is where I put the brow gel. It's like soft to the touch. So I think you would have like natural brows. All right, so I put it right there. It's really shiny, but I feel like it's a little more subtle than this one from Floss. And this one's more gold. This is more like silver. Cool toned, a little warm toned. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna say that I prefer the one from Floss a little bit more. This caught on all the hairs on the back of my hand. Like, I don't know if you can see it. So I don't know. Like, I know up close I could see it. I don't know if it's gonna emphasize texture. We'll have to try it out. It's really pretty though. The First Aid Beauty 10% vitamin C brightening serum. I love First Aid Beauty. They have some amazing products. So the results: 93% reported skin looked brighter and more radiant. 98% reported this product did not irritate their skin, and 91% reported this product did not feel sticky or have a bad smell. Formulated with vitamin C, E, and squalene. This retails for $50. Ooh, I like these types because all you have to do is twist up and it makes it really easy. And it's got the air pump, so it's gonna push the product up. Do I need a serum right now? I think I need one for nighttime. Oh, it says apply over face and neck once daily in the AM. Okay, so I can do this in the morning. Okay, well, I still need a nighttime serum. That is awesome. I do keep them in the package until I start using them. That way I know that they haven't been used. And last item, this is the Rodol Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. Ooh, that's awesome. Wait. So 2 vitamin C products. A cleanser from Rodol, and then the serum from First Aid Beauty. This retails for $49, and let's see. Remove excess oil and impurities while giving your skin a glowy boost with the Gel to Foam Cleanser. It contains powerhouse brighteners like vitamin C, glycolic and lactic acids, and blood orange water to help gently exfoliate and smooth your skin. This will get added into the rotation in the shower. That's awesome. Actually, this box was very like skincare and like accent items heavy. Usually I have an eyeshadow palette. Neither of them had one. That's weird. I think this is the first time ever that I haven't had an eyeshadow palette. I'm kind of bummed. Let me know, do you get BoxyCharm Glam Bag? Did you receive an eyeshadow palette in this month's BoxyCharm? Let me go ahead and add up these products so I can tell you how much this box was worth. Okay, you guys, this BoxyCharm box totaled $229. I can tell you that I only pay $28 for my BoxyCharm and $13 for Glam Bag. If you're interested in picking up either of those subscriptions for yourself, definitely check the drop down box. There are details down below. Also, I told you guys I was going to give you information for the giveaway for my birthday month of August. I know, it's been long overdue. I was going to do one in the spring, but things kind of got away from me because we had so much going on, buying a house, getting moved, and just all the excuses I can possibly come up with. But we are going to do a giveaway for my birthday month. There are quite a few things in the giveaway drawer. I am going to pick up a couple other things that I think I want to put into it as well. I will say there are a couple palettes. There are some things from Natasha Denona, Fenty, Beauty Bakery. So definitely check the drop down box. It will give you the details. I will pick a winner on the last day of August, which, let me look at my handy dandy calendar. I'm pretty sure is the 31st of August. This giveaway will go until August 31st. You are able to enter multiple ways, so definitely click on the link to find out which ways you're able to do. And also, when you are contacted, it will be from my official email address, which is also located in the drop down box. That is how I do all my correspondence. If it is not beautybyashleychan@gmail.com, do not respond to it. I am not at any other email address. That is the only official one that I will contact you from. I will also give you guys 48 hours to respond to my email before I choose a new recipient. It has happened in the past where I would go for weeks without having a response and then getting comments asking who was the winner. So if I email you or contact you on Instagram because maybe the email didn't work, then if you do not respond within 48 hours, I will pick a new winner. But definitely stay tuned for that. You should be contacted if you're the winner on August 31st. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.